If you want to publish your Replit app on your app store, so firstly go to Replit and then make sure you are completed and you have your app ready. So once you are done with your app and once you have the app ready, so what we're going to do is click on the publish option, which is on your top right there. Click on the publish option and here you will have the domain name. So copy this domain name, we will need it soon. So copy that. So once you've copied the domain name, next, so what we have created, it's a web app. So if you want to publish it to your app store, you need to convert it into an iOS app. So to do that, we need to use a third-party platform, which is, I'm going to use this appmysite.com here. So go to this appmysite.com and you can simply sign in or create an account using your Google credentials. Just log that in. And once you're done with that, so you'll get to this screen here. So now what we're going to do is click on the create app option here. So on your top right there, click on create app. And then now what we're going to do is you're going to go and select the app type, which is web to app. So click on web to app and then give a name to your app. And then here, the website link, that's where you paste the link that you just copied. Click on it, paste it, and then hit on create app. Okay, so this will now create the app for you. This will create a mobile app for you. So once that's done, so once you have already created the app there, so now go to the download section here, okay, on your left side. So go to the download section and then from here select iOS app. So we're going to upload it to App Store. So select iOS app and click on it. So for this service, you need to have a subscription in order to get this access. So once you have subscribed, click on it and you will get the iOS app file, which you need to upload to your App Store iOS Connect soon. So once you have subscribed to it, you'll be able to download your app here. So the download link for your app. So you'll be able to do that. Once you get that link, now go to your App Store Connect and log into your developer account. And please keep in mind that developer account requires a subscription. You need to get that done. So once you have or if you already have your subscription account, just log it into your App Store Connect. And then now from there, you can submit the link that you just copied from here. Submit it for review with App Store. So they will review it and if it's approved, then they will publish it on your App Store. And that's how it works.